Do you know what it means? Do you know what it means?
No, tell me more.
Ayun. Ano, if you join the forces, parang if you're gay, you shouldn't tell. Parang you shouldn't tell your colleagues.
And you shouldn't ask as well.
And you shouldn't ask as well. That's why it's called Don't Ask, Don't Tell.
Okay.
Parang it's, I don't know what it is.
It's all about gayness,
To
or
tolerate. It's all about gayness.
not just about, say, are you like a hermaphrodite?
You can say that you're an atheist. No problem with that. It doesn't cause disruptions. Apparently, pag gay ka, it causes disruptions.
Because you're a bunch of guys.
Particularly if you're a gay man. Because there's this issue about this guy. Something.
That really increases your credibility.
Yeah.
There's this guy who did,
From the-
who did something.
Who's gay, I think. Hindi, an issue about sodomy ata.
What's sodomy again?
Should I put this delicately?
Wow! You can start by giving me the Webster definition of it.
I don't have it. Basta ganun.
Use your phone, man. Where's your phone?
Biglang may sodomy. Sinesearch ko yung sodomy. Saan si Van? Why is there a need to find this stuff?
With us, no, there's this need to be certain about what we're talking about.
Oo, kasi...
Or with me, maybe with me. No.
Sige, with
No, what I'm saying is that if you're with Aldrin and the rest of your friends, they question you sometimes. Like, what is that?
Oh, God.
Or am I the only one who does it?
Yeah,
Am I-
because you do
am I-
it intentionally.
No.
To
What? To
annoy me, I
diss
guess.
you?
Yes. Kasi when I tell stories naman, it's just the story really. I do not mean to
Have really steady
say
hands.
na parang I am the fountain of knowledge. Ganyan.
Tree of knowledge.
No. I like to use fountain, thank you. Ano nga yung hinahanap ko?
Sodomy. I wish it's not one of those terms that you can't say out loud in public because we've been saying it out loud. Like penis!
Okay, go on. Okay.
I have to edit this part out from the film. You know?
Intercourse via the anus. Committed by a man with a man.
Ah, okay, there you go.
Or woman.
Oh, okay.
With a man or a woman.
I bet if it were a man to a woman.
Although that's not
Fine.
necessary with the point that we have raised earlier.
Yeah, where were we?
Ayun, yung I think he's, oh God, I'm going to,
What?
wiki.
Okay, this has to end here.